Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the process of setting up KidsGuard Pro on Xiaomi11 Lite. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started quickly and easily. Hi there. Just a quick update on the installation process. This will only take about 3 to 4 minutes, so please be patient as we set things up for you. The most important is to make sure you have the necessary rights to access the target device before we proceed. Remember, you'll need to choose a plan to get started. Pick the one that best fits your need. Welcome to our step-by-step setup guide for KidsGuard Pro on the Xiaomi11 Lite running Android 13. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire installation process to ensure you get the most out of this powerful parental control app. Whether you're new to KidsGuard Pro or just setting it up on your Xiaomi11 Lite, we've got you covered. By the end of this guide, you'll have everything configured and ready to monitor and protect your child's mobile experience effectively. Step 1. How to download the app. On the target Samsung phone, open any browser. We'll use Google Chrome for this example. Enter https://www.ClevGuard.vip in the search bar to access the download page. Slide the bar to start downloading the Installation Assistant app. Step 2. How to install the app on the target device. Once the download is complete, tap Install Got It and then open to launch the installer. After you see the Install Unknown Apps pop up, switch on Allow from this source and click OK. When the process bar completes, tap Install Got It open again to install the Assistant app. Step 3. How to set up the Assistant app. On the ClevGuard EULA and Privacy Policy page, tap Agree to launch the app. Log in using your registered email address and password. Enter the name, gender, and age to customize the profile. Tap Next Configuration. Proceed to Settings. Scroll through the apps to find System Update Service and enable it by switching on Allow Display over other apps. Temporarily disable Google Play Protect by turning off app scanning in the settings. Step 4. Confirm the configuration. Return to the Assistant app and tap Already Set to confirm the configuration. Then, select Proceed to Settings. Downloaded App System Update Service. Use System Update Service to grant full control of the Xiaomi phone. After the setup is complete, the process will continue automatically. Click System Update Service to choose Permit Usage Access. Tap Verify Setup to finalize the setup process, and the installation assistant will be deleted from the target device without leaving any trace. After this, the Assistant app goes incognito, meaning it will no longer appear on the home screen or app library of the target phone. By now, you have already successfully completed the whole setup process. Let's get started. Let's quickly recap what we've done: downloaded and installed the app, configured the settings, and verified the setup. If you need any further assistance, visit our support website or contact our customer service team for help. Okay, that's all for this video. If you find this video guide helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Don't miss out on the peace of mind that KidsGuard Pro offers. Click the link in the description to download the app and set it up on your Xiaomi11 Lite now. Your child's online safety is just a few steps away.